G'day everyone. Today we're going to blend some colours on this canvas. We're going to blend pink and orange. So we've got these here. Titanium white, orange and brilliant magenta. We're going to make some pink. So we've got this brush and we're just going to add some water to the brush. Alright, and then flick out most of the water. Alright, put the water aside. Get some pink on our brush. Alright, and start brushing away. Yeah. Brush away. Try to cover most of the canvas. So we're doing figure 8 patterns here. Right. So we come down to about halfway. Okay. We're halfway on our canvas here. Right. Now I'm going to wash my brush out in the water. Take out some of the water. Give it a flick. Just rinse my brush. Now we're going to add the orange paint to the canvas. We'll start from the bottom. And we'll work up to the top. When we get to the center, we're going to not add any more paint, but we're going to just go into the pink, okay? We'll do the figure 8 patterns. Okay, while that's drying, while that's still wet, I've got a dry brush here, right? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to run my dry brush over this, the whole thing. Okay, let's see how we go. Okay, that's it. I hope you like my video. Please subscribe. We'll see you all later.